guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 through 67 El Camino bed molding kits by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These were introduced back in 1989 and you can purchase them in standard or deluxe style kits to fit your needs. Standard kits include the bed rail moldings, the rear corner moldings, top of the tailgate, and a complete hardware pack, while the deluxe kit come with everything the standard kit does, plus the upper cab moldings. All of our bed moldings are manufactured to OEM specifications using stamped stainless steel, complemented with die-cast zinc and bright dip chrome corners to complete your set. We also feature a RESTOPARTS stamping on the back of our moldings so you know that you're receiving an authentic piece. All kits are securely packaged using the best materials to transport your products. Installation is easy when you have all the correct included hardware, as each part snaps and screws into place just like the originals. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.